Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on .asia domain contacts in domain contact presets on Namecheap. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then get on the top right corner. Now select account and then select profile. Now scroll down till the last, select tools. Scroll down again, select this manage button. Scroll down again and select this button right here which says .asia domain contacts. Now you can choose the domain contacts, extended attributes, etc. And after filling all of these details, scroll down till the last and you guys can see this option right here called save changes. Now just select on this button and you guys now have successfully turned on the .asia domain contacts in domain contact presets on Namecheap. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.